Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Alright, in today's video I'm going to be doing sort of like a review slash how I use this tool right here. It's the INH, or the insert name here, the Waver. It's like makes your hair like have these really nice mermaid waves type of deal, you know. I had one already, but that one had too much of a deep wave. It was more like a S, not more like a wave, I guess. I don't know. But so pretty much I've been seeing like these I kept seeing all these Instagram videos of like, I think there's like a mermaid one, or I forget the brand. Let's just look up. Alright, so what got me wanting to purchase this is because I kept seeing like videos on Instagram and on YouTube of this waver. It's kept seeing the Mermaid Hair Waver, and I thought about getting that one, but I did some more research and I'm a cheapskate, so I found this one for like $5 cheaper. So what I got was the INH Hair Waver, and the price of this one is $63. I think I paid $65, but it's a little bit cheaper now, of course. So let's see.
Says, say hi to the very first INH hair hot tool. She's hot AF with a temp of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. She's gentle too, with hot plates coated in tourmaline ceramic glaze that'll minimize the damage to your hair. It's easy to control the temperature and see just how hot things are getting with the easy to read LCD panel. And of course, she comes with a heat resistant glove so you can make waves without getting your fingers burnt.
So pretty much gives you like these type of waves right here. Ooh, the glitter. Let's go ahead and open it. So I love the color scheme of this. It's like a peachy pink, and then here's the glove that it comes with. So go ahead and put that there, and then here's a little LCD screen that lets you know what temperature you can that's to, I think, yeah, this is to increase, decrease, and that's the power button. And it's got its little stand right here. So, and let's see the cord. Cord is not that long as I would want my cord to be. I think it's like about 3 or 4 feet. But yeah. So when you plug it in, it does like turn on, but it doesn't actually turn on the heat. It's like a safety feature of it, so it does say off. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and it starts at it starts at 370 degrees, but I'm gonna go up to 430 because my hair is thick, and I kind of like to get this done pretty fast because I have so much hair. So the hotter the better for me, but I don't set it to the highest setting. Let's go ahead and part the hair out real quick.
A few moments later.
Alright, I look crazy, but I have my hair parted out. Pretty much have like half of it up, this to the side, and I have my first section ready. And she's almost ready. It takes quite a bit. It's been about maybe 3 or 4 minutes just heating up. And she's ready. Wish I had like a little beeping sound to let you know. No, you can't have it all. So I don't usually use the glove, but we're gonna go ahead and use it just to be safe. Alright, so I got my section. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, because I know there's a couple ways you can do it. There's a certain way that I like to do it so that the curls, or I mean the waves, look cohesive. So it's a big one, so just be careful. Go ahead and take it where you're going to take it. And I like to leave it for about 10 seconds. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what? I just realized I didn't put any heat protectant on my hair.
Good job, girl. Good job.
Alright, so rewind. Just using the Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 hair protector. So I'm just gonna give it a little spray real quick and hope she forgives me. Alright, so I lied. Not really 10 seconds, more like 12 to 15 seconds, just depending on how thick the strand you took out is. So let's do this again. Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Alright, so that's about 15. So there's the first wave. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. And a lot of, I don't know, I've seen some people do where they just go there and then go right over from here to here. I like to go where the last curl or wave is, just so that it all looks very cohesive. So that's where that last wave was, so I'm going to put the barrel right there.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, that's too long.
So see, very nice. And I'm just going to take, ow! I forgot to put the glove back on, and that's what I get. So it's because I'm not usually recording while I'm doing this, so but let's just be safe. Okay, where's that last curl? There she is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So when I get to the ends, I only like to leave it there for about 10 seconds. There you have the first wave. And throw that back. Alright. I'm just going to go ahead and put the heat protector on this whole section. So I'm just going to do like a few more sections on the bottom, and then I'm going to go ahead and move to the top. So like I said, once I get to the bottom, I don't hold it there as long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, and it just curls. Look at that. Oh, look at that curl. Girl. It does work a lot better when you do like small sections. Alright. So you guys get pretty much the idea. Here are the waves. So I'm just going to cut this, finish the bottom half of this, and I'll come back when I get to the top. Okay?
One eternity later.
Alright, so I've got that bottom section done. Took about 15 minutes or so. So now let's go ahead and do this top part. Alright, if you notice when I get to like these top parts, I like to take even smaller sections. And again, just holding it there for less amount of time. So literally only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then when I do this, I'm kind of pushing so that other curl sets. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then depending on how much is left, I won't curl or I will curl. And there is a good chunk there, so that does get curled. And this is the last piece on this side. So this is the tricky part. Let's see how that hair lays.
Ow.
So that's the only thing about that button being there. Sometimes you end up turning it off on accident. Wish maybe that was a different mechanism for that. Alright, so let's just hope for the best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not bad. I can work with that. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna leave that one there. Alright, we got one, well, 3/4 of it done. Might just cut out real quick and then do this part and then get back on here when I'm on the very last section, okay?
Eventually.
Alright, down to the very last piece. So I think I started around 3 o'clock. It's now 3:47, so it's been about 45 minutes. Yes, it's not the tool, it's my hair. I have a lot of hair. I don't know where that accent came from. Let's just do this going the regular way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Turn that off. Alright, it's 3:48. Roughly about 50 minutes to do my hair. But you guys see what I'm working with? Like, let me just go ahead and put some serum on it. I'm just using what I used in my other hair video that I did. It's the LV Smooth Intense Frizz Taming Serum. I'll run it in my hair. And this style will literally last me about like 2 or 3 days if I were to just like take care of it. So let me just turn around so you guys can see the back of it. Get a good look at that. So it's pretty much how I like to use it, so that the curls just curls. I keep calling it curl, so that the waves, you know, just flow with each other. The only part that I have the hardest time with is my bangs. Like, that's why sometimes I just like tuck them behind and then, you know, let the hair speak for itself. I really dig it. It just really gives you that mermaid vibe hair, and I quite enjoy it. That's my 2 cents on the INH Hair Waver. It's still hot, so I'm not going to touch it. That's how I use it, you know, just so that the waves are more cohesive. Make sure you use a heat protector. Make sure you use the glove, and because I did burn myself on accident. You guys saw that. And then make sure you use something to seal in moisture at the end, because after doing that you kind of dried the hair out a little bit. So it doesn't have to be this. Any moisturizing hair serum, hair oil that you have will be just fine, and you're good to go. You can have this style for another couple days and not worry about having to do your hair. Hey, I'm all for that. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and sticking all the way through, and I hope it helped you guys out with some tips on how to use it or deciding if you want to buy it. I would truly recommend it if you want to have a cute hairstyle, you know, and it'll last you a couple days. It's not a little too pricey. It's $65 probably with tax plus shipping, but there's some codes on there I'm sure you can get. I don't have one, I'm sorry, because I purchased this on my own, but thanks again for watching it. I hope you guys did like the video, and if you did, hit that like button. And if you want to see some more, then hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.